Many people out there are worried that their spouse or their ex-spouse drawing Social Security off of their own Social Security work record will reduce the amount of Social Security that they get during retirement. That will not happen. Anybody drawing off your benefit, your spouse, your ex-spouse, your kids, sometimes it could be your dependent parents, they will not reduce your amount. Does not impact your amount at all. So a lot of you can go, whew, thank you, I can relax. Now, there are things that can reduce your Social Security, such as back taxes. Yes, if you have taxes owed to the state, federal, local governments, they have a lien on you, that will be garnished. They can garnish up to 15% per month of your Social Security. Yes, even if you're drawing a Social Security disability payment. Any type of Social Security payment, they're going to come for their back taxes. They can also reduce your Social Security due to back alimony, back child support, and defaulted federal student loans. So let's say you owe some other creditor that's not secured. No, they can't come after you. Let's say you went bankrupt. No, you owe money to the credit card companies. No, none of those can garnish your Social Security. But the government, alimony, child support, defaulted student loans, they can reduce your Social Security. I hope this helps. If you learned something today, hit the follow below. Thanks.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.